Get ready for the massive news as GM CEO releases a new $19,000 pickup truck that won't just undercut rivals, but offer insane practicality as well. If you thought this would be a cheap and underwhelming product designed to be nothing but affordable, you're wrong. GM puts so much faith in this model that it even revives one of its most iconic truck nameplates, the GMC Cyclone. Modern-day Cyclone. Let's take a trip back to 1991 when the original GMC Cyclone burst onto the scene and completely redefined what a pickup truck could be. This wasn't just another work vehicle, it was a street-legal rocket that could outrun Ferraris and leave Corvettes in its dust. With its turbocharged V6 engine pumping out 280 horsepower, the original Cyclone became an instant legend, proving that trucks could be both practical and absolutely thrilling to drive. But times have changed, and so have buyer priorities. The new Cyclone takes a completely different approach, shifting focus from raw performance to practicality and affordability. Instead of chasing quarter-mile times, this modern interpretation targets the massive compact pickup segment that Ford pioneered with the Maverick and Hyundai expanded with the Santa Cruz. Here's where things get interesting. GM is ditching the traditional body-on-frame construction that defined the original. The new Cyclone will ride on a unibody platform, sharing its bones with some of GM's most successful crossovers. This decision might disappoint purists who remember the original's truck-like character, but it opens up possibilities that simply weren't available 3 decades ago. This platform choice brings immediate benefits that traditional truck buyers will appreciate: better fuel economy, smoother ride quality, improved handling, and significantly lower production costs that translate directly into affordable pricing. The unibody construction also allows for more efficient packaging, meaning more interior space and better ergonomics compared to body-on-frame competitors. The name choice isn't accidental either. GMC knows the Cyclone badge carries serious weight with truck enthusiasts, and they're banking on that heritage to generate buzz in a crowded marketplace. It's a smart move that gives the new truck instant recognition and credibility that completely new nameplates struggle to achieve. Top-notch hybrid performance. General Motors has been making some serious noise about bringing hybrid technology back into their lineup, and the new Cyclone represents the first major step in that direction. After years of focusing primarily on full electric vehicles, GM is acknowledging that many buyers want the efficiency benefits of electrification without the range anxiety that comes with pure EVs. The powertrain that GM has chosen for the Cyclone is absolutely fascinating. It's the same hybrid system currently used in the Chinese market Chevrolet Equinox Plus, which has been proving itself in one of the world's most competitive automotive markets. The system combines a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine with an electric motor for a total system output that should satisfy even performance-minded buyers. The gasoline engine contributes 177 horsepower, while the electric motor adds another 188 horsepower. When working together, the total system output reaches impressive levels that would make the original Cyclone proud. But the real magic happens in everyday driving scenarios. The electric motor provides instant torque from a standstill, eliminating the lag that typically comes with small turbocharged engines. This means the new Cyclone will feel responsive and energetic in city traffic, where most pickup trucks spend the majority of their time. The efficiency numbers are where this powertrain really shines. The system will also offer EV that covers the vast majority of daily commutes. For longer trips, the combined range will go over 620 miles. This setup addresses one of the biggest complaints about current compact pickups: inadequate power for highway merging and passing. The combination of instant electric torque and turbocharged gasoline power should make the Cyclone feel significantly more capable than its displacement would suggest. The charging capability adds another layer of practicality. The battery can be charged overnight on a standard household outlet or topped up quickly at public charging stations. For buyers with predictable daily routines, this could mean running purely on electricity for weeks at a time. Bold design. Despite riding on a unibody platform, GMC isn't planning to make the new Cyclone look like a crossover with an open bed. The design team is taking inspiration from the full-size Sierra and other large GMC body-on-frame models, ensuring the Cyclone maintains the bold, assertive presence that GMC buyers expect. The front end will showcase GMC's latest design language, with a characteristic bold grille that immediately identifies it as a member of the GMC family. LED headlights and daytime running lights will give it a modern, high-tech appearance that speaks to its advanced hybrid powertrain underneath. The proportions are crucial to getting this right. While the unibody construction allows for more car-like dimensions, GMC is working to ensure the Cyclone still looks like a proper truck. This means higher ground clearance than typical crossovers, more aggressive wheel arch flares, and body cladding that emphasizes its rugged capabilities. The bed design will be particularly important for establishing truck credibility. GMC is planning to offer multiple bed lengths, giving buyers flexibility between maneuverability and cargo capacity. The longer bed option will easily exceed what's available in the Maverick, addressing addressing one of the most common complaints about compact pickups. The overall stance will be slightly more aggressive than typical compact pickups. While it won't match the original Cyclone's low-slung performance appearance, it will have enough visual muscle to distinguish it from the increasingly car-like designs of some competitors. Practical interior. Affordability is going to be a key selling point for the new Cyclone, and that philosophy extends directly into the interior design. Don't expect luxury materials or flashy design elements. This cabin is all about functionality and durability. The approach mirrors what Ford did with the original Maverick, prioritizing substance over style. Hard-wearing plastics will dominate the interior surfaces, chosen for their ability to withstand years of use rather than their visual appeal. However, GM isn't skimping on build quality. Everything will fit together properly and feel solid. Modern technology features will be standard across the lineup. A large touchscreen infotainment system will handle smartphone integration, navigation, and vehicle settings, while digital instrument clusters will provide clear information about hybrid system operation, including battery charge levels and energy flow. One of the most interesting aspects of the new Cyclone is GMC's commitment to offering a traditional two-door configuration alongside the expected four-door variant. This decision directly addresses a significant gap in the current compact pickup market, where virtually every option forces buyers into crew cab layouts. The two-door model opens up some compelling practical advantages. With the rear passenger space eliminated, the bed length can be significantly extended without increasing overall vehicle length. This means buyers who prioritize cargo capacity over passenger space finally have an option that makes sense. The longer bed in the two-door configuration could easily accommodate full sheets of plywood, longer lumber, and other bulky items that simply won't fit in the shorter beds of crew cab compact pickups. For contractors, landscapers, and weekend warriors who actually use their trucks for hauling, this could be a game changer. Storage solutions throughout the cabin will emphasize practicality. Large door pockets, multiple cup holders, and clever storage compartments will help organize the tools, equipment, and personal items that truck owners need to carry. The four-door variant won't be forgotten, of course. Modern families need seating for more than two people, and the crew cab layout will provide adequate space for passengers while maintaining reasonable bed length for most uses. Release date and price. The new Cyclone will arrive in dealerships next year, positioning it perfectly to capitalize on the growing compact pickup segment. The timing couldn't be better, as Ford's Maverick has proven there's substantial demand for affordable, practical trucks that don't compromise on capability. The headline-grabbing number is the starting price of just $19,000. This might sound impossibly low in today's inflated automotive market, but GM has a clear strategy for achieving this target. The key lies in smart component sharing and leveraging economies of scale from their global operations. The hybrid powertrain represents a perfect example of this strategy. By using the same system that's already in production for the Chinese market, GM eliminates the massive development costs that would normally be associated with a new electrified powertrain. The Equinox Plus in China starts at around $20,000, proving that this technology can be produced affordably. Platform sharing provides additional cost savings. The unibody architecture that will underpin the Cyclone is already used across multiple GM vehicles, spreading development costs across a much larger production volume. This allows GM to offer truck capability at crossover prices. The pricing strategy is clearly designed to undercut the competition. Ford's Maverick has seen steady price increases since its introduction, with base models now approaching $30,000 when properly equipped. By positioning the Cyclone significantly below this price point, GM can attract budget-conscious buyers who might otherwise be priced out of the segment. The new GMC Cyclone represents more than just another truck launch. It's GM's bold statement that practical, affordable vehicles still have a place in the American market. By combining proven hybrid technology with smart engineering and aggressive pricing, they will create something that could fundamentally reshape buyer expectations in the compact pickup segment. But rival companies are thinking in the same direction. Check out this video about Volkswagen's CEO releasing a $15,000 pickup, which you can now see on the screen. The German automaker plans to introduce an even cheaper, more compact, and more maneuverable pickup that would redefine the segment completely.